If there is no time is mentioned, we'll use which equation of motion?
Third equation.
Motion. The third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equals to 2a.
Yes.
Final velocity is 0. Of course, I will modify this as a v1 square minus u1 square is equals to 2 into a value minus g into s value s1. Okay, or else you can write this one as a1 into s1. I will write. Okay, this will let it keep it. You don't need to confuse. I will write a only. Okay, all of you, is it okay, guys? Now v1 square value 0, 0 square minus u1 value u1 only, u1 square is equals to g into 2 into g, a value minus g, and s1 value how much? H.
H1.
Yes, that is what. Sam, please mute. Disturbance will come, please mute yourself. Now 0 square will gone. Minus u1 square is equals to minus 2gh. So minus minus will get cancelled. Minus minus will get cancel. All of you clear? Respond. So we'll get u1 square is equals to 2gh. Any problem for us? Respond, guys. Now from this, I will write it. We want h ratio. H is equals to u1 square by 2g. Is there any problem for you people if I write like this? Yes. Let me take equation 1. So this is for first stone. Now for second one, for second stone, tell me, initial velocity is u2, acceleration a is equals to minus g, s2 is equals to h2, and final velocity v2 is equals to what? Everybody? 0.
0.
Again, which equation of motion? Everybody?
Third equation.
Third equation of motion. Third equation of motion, if you have been done. So what will happen? V square minus u square is equals to 2as. So v1 square minus u1, sorry, v2 square minus u2 square is equals to 2as2. So substitute the values, everybody. v2 square 0 square, u2 means u2 only, 2 into minus g into s2 means what? h2. Yes or no?
H2.
So minus u2 square is equals to minus 2gh2. So minus minus will get cancelled. So what is remaining? u2 square is equals to 2gh2. So from that, can you tell me h2 is equals to what? h2 is equals to u2 square divided by 2g. Is it right or wrong, Mr. Lingesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now what is our required thing? What we have to prove, everybody? What we have to prove? h1 divided by h2, which is equals to u1 square divided by u2 square. This is what we have to prove it. Is it right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes,
Ratio means that only. Is it right or wrong? That's all. So then dividing equation 1 with the equation 2. We have equation 1 and equation 2. So what will come? Dividing equation 1 by 2. So what will happen? Tell me. h1 divided by h2, which is equals to equation 1. Everybody tell me what is equation 1? u1 square by 2c divided by equation 2. u2 square by 2c. Is it okay, guys? So what will happen? u1 square by 2z into this one will become 2z divided by u2 square. Prima, everyone. So 2z will get cancelled. So which is equals to what? Yes, please. u1 square divided by u2 square, which is equals to h1 divided by h2. So what are the ratios, guys? h1 is to h2, which is equals to u1 square is to, what will happen? u1 square is to
u2 square.
u2 square. Is it okay, all of you? Yes, please.
So on doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
In the other side, why we are taking it as h1 by h2, sir?
That is, we want ratio. They are asking height ratios, correct, Mari? Prove that heights reached by them. So anything you want to take, Anyhow, you have to prove it finally. U1 square is to U2 square. That's what. So that is why
Yes,
I'm
sir.
dividing equation 1 with equation 2. So that I'll get H1 by H2. Understand, Mari? Heights means that only correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Everybody, am I proved or not? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
So hence,
Yes, sir.
so that is what it is. Have you noticed it? This is the question in higher classes, 11th and 12th and all, JEE, NEET, everywhere. You will find a questions nowadays without values. With values, everybody can solve. But without values, like these things only will comes. So these are the things where we people will face a lot of difficulties. Like even see, Mari, you said, why can't we take G value 10? Do you understand? Here, not necessary to take 10. Are you clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yes. Please respond.
sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you please send some additional sums in
Yeah.
our WhatsApp, sir?
I'll give
Additional
you.
sums
I'll give you now.
regarding numericals, sir.
Yeah. Next, this question you write. You can find this question. A car travels with speed v1. A car travels. Last question now. A car travels with a speed of v1 from A to B. A to B and returns with the speed of v2. Till now we have solved like these questions with the values. Do you remember everyone? All of you? Find the average speed of the car during the journey. Anybody can find it? Sir, any idea? At least give clue. That's enough. This is the homework sum. Let me see. But without any help, you have to solve. If you solve without any help, you can. But you can see if you go back to your classworks, you can see instead of v1, v2, with some values, we already solved this question. Do you remember that? We know that he is moving from A to B. Means A to B, distance is what? Always. Yes, please. Let me take distance is x. And here also from B to A is also what? A to B distance is x means B to A also distance is what? Yes,
X.
x. Clear? Everybody? Respond, guys. Then,
Yes, sir.
then time let me take t1 and let me take this time is t2. And already they have given in the question. What is the A to B velocity? What is the A to B velocity? v1. And B to A velocity v2. So what is they are asking us to find what? Average speed. Let me take, I will teach you. So be smart. Average speed. If values is given, you people can solve. Yes or no, guys? Even our our NCERT exercise also we are having this. So average speed means what is the formula? Two journeys totally. So S1 plus S2 divided by T1 plus T2. Yes or no, Mari? S1 is X plus S2 is X. We are assumed it. Let if A to B is X meters means B2 is also X meters only. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Then T1 will become what, Nivedan? T1 is equals to S1 divided by V1 means X by V1. Next, T2 is equals to S2 divided by V2 means in the sense of what? X divided by V2. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir. The previous semester also gave us.
Yes, Mari, we solved it. That is what I am asking. So X divided by V1 plus X divided by V2. So if you have taken that 2X divided by, what is the LCM? V1, V2 is the LCM. Here what will come? Everybody. V1, V2 is the LCM means here what will come? V2X
Yeah.
plus V1X. Is it right or wrong? All of you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. It's not a homework sum. Yourself. Here itself we can solve. So 2x divided by v2x plus v1x into 1 by v1 into v2. Is it right or wrong? Oh, sorry. v1, v2 will go up. Sorry that. Forgot it. So what will happen? This will go up. Looks like this. Look into the board. It looks like a divided by b by c. So what will come? Everybody. A into c by b. Is it right or wrong? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Same way it will come what? V1, V2. Is it right or wrong, guys? divided by 1.
So why is it totally it can go no, sir?
How it will go? That is what I'm making ulta Mari. If want, you can do it. Nothing is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Same like if you want write like this also, you can write. This is okay. Wa? A by B, A divided by B by C means A into C by B. Is it okay? Wa? Yes.
Yes, sir.
B by C will become reverse. So same way I'm writing 2x into this one. V1, V2 divided by V2x plus V1x. Now, notice it in this both something is common. Who is that?
V1.
X is common,
Yes.
not V1. V2 plus V1. Okay, Mari? Understand? X is common. So XX will get cancelled. Sorry, XX will get cancelled. So XX will get cancelled means what is remaining up?
2
2 into V1, V2 divided by V2 plus V1. Okay. So that is only I'll write 2V1, V2 divided by V1 plus V2. So this is the V average formula when the body is traveling with the different velocities with the same distance. Understanding? In between a two fixed point, keep it in mind. In between a two fixed point, if body is traveling with the V1 from A to B and from B to A with the V2, you can directly apply this formula, you will get the same answer. Now, before what you solved, that question Mari, you apply this formula, you will get the same answer. Are you clear? All of you? Agalya,
Yes, sir.
Alpin,
Yes.
what is the formula? Yes, please. 2V1, V2 divided by
V1 plus V2.
V1 plus V2. Okay. So now, I think two questions you solved similar way. Apply that formula. You people will get or not. Verify and let me know. Confirm. Okay. So this is very, very important question. Now understand everybody without values how they will ask the questions.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
Every question you must be able to solve. Okay. That is what is very, very important. Yes.
Sir, doubt, sir.
Hmm.
What is acceleration?
Acceleration means change in velocity per time. Acceleration means change in velocity per time taken. Time taken to change that velocity. That is what? Suppose see, if one body is there, it is having initial velocity is 10 meter per second. After 10 seconds, t is equals to 10 seconds, the body reaches to the velocity is 50 meter per second. Then what is the acceleration of the body means final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken to change that. That is what? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. That is only called as acceleration. Okay. Acceleration unit is meter per second square. Meter per second square. Okay. Shivani solved?
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir,
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, please.
So why can't we cancel that V1, V2, that and all, sir?
How you can cancel? These are in multiplication, these are in addition. Is it possible to cancel?
No, sir.
Then
sir, non-uniform velocity.
non-uniform velocity means velocity is not at constant rate. Means sometime it will travel, suppose A to B, it will travel 10 meters for 2 seconds. Next B to C, it will travel 100 meters for only same 2 seconds. Then next it will travel again 50 meters for again 2 seconds. Like that, see, distance is not constant every time. More variable distance for a constant period of time. Then it is called as non-uniform motion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is what about it. Okay, that's fine. Homework sum, this is only Lingesh. You solve it and revise. What is your homework means? The sums which we solve like this. Apply this formula and get the answer. Either you are getting the same answer or not, verify it and confirm me. Okay, guys? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
2V1, V2 divided by V1 plus V2. That's all. Thank you, everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.